First, we'll find the slope of a line through two given points. Then we'll find the equation of the line. We'll ask whether two given points are on the line or not. And finally, we'll graph the line. To find the slope, we simply compute the change or difference in y. Here are the y coordinates, 2 for the first point, minus 3 for the second point, and divide that by the change or difference in x. The x coordinate of the first point is minus 1, x coordinate of the second point is 0. So we take minus 3 minus 2, and divide that by 0 minus 1, change in x over change in y, and this becomes minus 5 divided by plus 1, or minus 5. To find the equation of the line, when we look at the 2 points that we were given, we notice that one of them, 0 minus 3, because the x-coordinate is 0, this is on the y-axis, because the x-coordinate is 0. So the y-intercept is minus 3, the y-coordinate of the point on the y-axis. B equals minus 3. So then the equation of the line is simply y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, minus 5, plus b is the y-intercept, minus 5x minus 3. This is the equation of the line in what you might call slope-intercept form, where the slope is minus 5 and the intercept is minus 3. Next, the point 1 minus 8 will be on the line if and only if the x-coordinate 1 and the y-coordinate minus 8 satisfy the equation of the line. So we can tentatively plug in, and I'll put a question mark over the equal sign. We'll ask whether this is true or not. Is it true that when y is minus 8 and x is 1, if you plug them into the equation, do you get an identity? Is the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side? Yes, indeed, it is. So the answer is yes. For minus 520, we repeat the procedure. We ask if y is 20 and x is minus 5, do we get an identity? Here we compute minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25, minus 3, which is 22. Here the left-hand side is not equal to the right-hand side, so no, that point is not on the line. And lastly, to graph the line, I'll give myself a bit more room. I will draw an x-axis and a y-axis, and I'll label them as such, x and y. I can do this a few different ways. I can simply draw the 2 points we were given initially. We had 0 minus 3, so that's there, and we also had minus 1, 2. So now I can draw this line through these points. It has a y-intercept of minus 3 and a slope of minus 5.